Welcome to GadgetHub, your ultimate destination for all things innovative and exciting. As the summer heat rolls in, it's time to fire up those grills and indulge in the sizzling delights of barbecue and grilling. To ensure you have an unforgettable outdoor cooking experience, we've curated a list of gadgets that will take your barbecue game to new heights. Let's dive in and unlock a world of flavor and culinary adventure. Clinder Grill. This innovative appliance goes beyond your average grill or panini press. With precise temperature control, it allows you to achieve the perfect level of doneness for your steak and salmon. What sets it apart is its numerous small heat nodes, ensuring even heat distribution for tender and perfectly cooked meals. Plus, the Cinder Grill requires no additional oil, making it a healthier cooking option. Whether you're cooking fresh or frozen food, the Cinder Grill delivers exceptional results every time. Discover the ultimate grilling experience with this remarkable appliance. Una Charcoal Grill. Introducing the Una Portable Charcoal Grill, the ideal tabletop grilling solution for campers. This compact grill is incredibly easy to set up, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of grilling fresh meat and veggies anywhere you go. With 2 grill heights and notches on the side, it accommodates all your cooking needs, including holding skewers in place. Despite its functionality, the Una grill weighs only 8.2 pounds, making it highly portable. It even comes with a sturdy leather strap for convenient transportation. Get ready to grill up some tasty kebabs amidst the wilderness with the Una Charcoal Grill. Everdure 4K. The Everdure 4K is an extraordinary outdoor charcoal grill. This innovative grill features an advanced airflow control system, allowing you to easily adjust the heat. With top and bottom vents, it ensures a well-balanced airflow for optimal cooking results. The Everdure 4K includes enamel and stainless steel grills, a heat deflector, and a water container. It even boasts an internal light, grill, and charcoal tongs for added convenience. Plus, with its accompanying app, you have access to all the data you need anytime. Experience the superb performance of the Everdure 4K and elevate your outdoor grilling game. Masterbuilt Gravity. Starting with the Masterbuilt Gravity Series Charcoal Grill and Smoke, the sleek and sturdy grill brings out the authentic flavor of charcoal smoked food. How does its gravity-fed hopper hold fuel, using lump or brickhead charcoal for a long time? And there is no need to remove charcoal after each use. What's more, this offers a 560 square inch surface to cook veggies and meat. Whoa, that's a whole lot of space. Plus it reaches a super high temperature for searing steak perfectly. Grillbot. Say goodbye to a dirty and unsightly grill with the help of Grillbot. This sleek robot is here to rescue your grilling experience. Equipped with powerful electric motors and sturdy bristles, it effortlessly cleans every nook and cranny of your grill grates. Simply place the Grillbot on the greasy grill, press the button, and let it work its magic. In no time, you'll have a perfectly clean and grime-free grill. Enjoy hassle-free grilling and savor the delicious flavors. Grilleye Pro Plus. Experience precision like never before with the Grilleye Pro Plus. This device takes homemade steak and ribs to the next level. It's not your ordinary meat thermometer. Equipped with an active matrix screen, it dynamically displays crucial information. With automatic switching between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it provides limitless range and optimal power management for precise results. With multiple probe ports, it tracks the temperature of up to 8 different probes at once. After use, it conveniently rotates for easy storage. When it comes to growing food, precision is essential, and the Grilleye Pro Plus ensures accuracy every step of the way. Homping Grill. Introducing the Homping Grill, the cutest and most portable grill you'll ever find. This compact camping companion combines lighting gel and airflow for quick charcoal burning in just 2 to 3 minutes. But here's the surprising part, it produces next to no smoke. With only 8 charcoal briquettes per hour on its 11.5 inches of grilling surface, you can enjoy a tasty barbecue without any hassle. Say goodbye to the smoke and enjoy a hassle-free grilling experience with the adorable Homping Grill. Introducing the Grillspec, a revolutionary set of grilling accessories. This versatile kit includes a basting tool with a spoon, silicone brush, bristle brush, and cotton mop, all equipped with a removable handle for effortless sauce application. With its sauce bowl capable of storing up to 1 liter of barbecue sauce, you can enjoy perfect flavors no matter where your destination takes you. Designed for easy portability, the Grillspec ensures multifunctionality for grilling enthusiasts on the go. Experience the convenience and versatility of this essential grilling companion. Drumcook. Indulge in oil-free and delicious chicken wings with the Drumcook. This multifunctional oven, grill, and steamer in one allows you to roast, grill, stir-fry, and fry food without the need for oil. With its drum-shaped body, glass lid, and attached timer, it offers convenience and precise cooking. What sets it apart is its rotating mechanism, ensuring crispy exteriors and juicy, tender interiors. Get ready to savor mouth-watering dishes with the innovative and versatile Drumcook. Barbeall Charcoal Griller. Experience grilling like never before with the Barbeall Charcoal Griller. This portable device adds a revolutionary touch to your cookouts with its multi-layer structure. Despite its incredible functionality, it takes up minimal space while grilling, baking, or braising meat. With hassle-free smart control, you can easily adjust the temperature range to suit your needs. The dome lid retains more heat, enhancing the flavor of your steak, and the built-in probe ensures precision cooking. Get ready to elevate your grilling game with the perfect solution, the Barbeall Charcoal Griller. Roto-q. Indulge in the most flavorful rotisserie chicken with the Roto-q. Why choose it over a traditional rotisserie oven? This compact device operates without electricity, taking up minimal space and offering convenience. With its 360-degree self-rotation feature, it automates the entire rotisserie process. Simply pop it in, lock it up, and let it work its magic. No electricity, gas, or batteries needed. It's even perfect for fitting inside a conventional oven. And the best part? It cooks the most delicious rotisserie chicken in as little as 30 minutes. Experience the convenience and taste of the Roto-q for your next culinary adventure. Nomad Grill and Smoker. Experience the unmatched taste of grilled food wherever you go with the Nomad Grill and Smoker. This portable charcoal barbecue is the ultimate outdoor grilling solution. With a generous cooking space of up to 425 square inches, this gadget packs a lot of room into a small package. Once you're done cooking, simply fold it up and take it with you using the convenient carry handle. But here's the best part, it's not just a grill, but also a smoker. The smoker can cook up to 28 pounds of food on its 212 square inches of cooking space, while the grill has a maximum capacity of 31 pounds. With its multi-layer construction, the exterior of this lightweight and durable stainless steel and aluminum barbecue remains at a safe temperature. Get ready to enjoy memorable family picnics for years to come with the Nomad Grill and Smoker. Looft Lighter X Cordless Grill. Light your grill effortlessly with the Looft Lighter X Cordless Grill Wand. This innovative cordless wand allows you to light your grill in around 1 minute by blasting super hot air. With no cords to hold you back, you can take it with you to a friend's house for a barbecue. It's designed to target the fire pit directly, ensuring safety. The ergonomic shape provides a comfortable and secure grip. It's compact enough to store in a backpack until your next use. Once charged, it delivers 10 ignitions to light your grill indoors or outdoors. For the fire pit, simply plug in the base to the main outlet and you're ready to light fires. Experience hassle-free grilling with the Looft Lighter X Cordless Grill Wand. Maggbrush Ultra Safe Grill Brush. Simplify the process of cleaning your grill with the Maggbrush Ultra Safe Grill Brush. This innovative brush not only ensures a thorough clean, but also provides extra protection against bristles getting into your food. Utilizing high-carbon fiber bristles that are more magnetized and denser than traditional brushes, the Maggbrush is designed to prevent bristle loss. It incorporates a high pull force magnet on the top side of the brush head, effectively picking up any loose bristles that may fall off during cleaning. Plus, you can easily replace the bristle head when needed, saving you from having to buy a whole new brush. Keep your grill clean and your food safe with the Maggbrush Ultra Safe Grill Brush. Grillaholics Stuffed Burger Press. Impress your barbecue guests with the Grillaholics Stuffed Burger Press. This innovative device allows you to create mouth-watering stuffed burgers filled with delicious ingredients like caramelized cheese, onions, and mushrooms. With a 4-inch diameter and a user-friendly design, this burger press is made of BPA-free plastic and ensures food safety. Its non-stick material prevents the stuffed burger from falling apart while cooking. Whether you're grilling for fun or professionally, this stuffed burger press guarantees satisfaction for your customers and friends. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Elevate your burger game with the Grillaholics stuffed burger press. Houcy 3-in-1 Ultra-Fast Defrosting Tray. Experience the convenience of the Houcy 3-in-1 Ultra-Fast Defrosting Tray and transform your frozen meals into delicious dishes in just minutes. This remarkable defrosting tray utilizes advanced technology to thaw a steak in a mere 15 minutes, all without the need for power or water. Thanks to its microporous design and superconducting gas, the Houcy tray offers superior thermal conductivity, ensuring efficient heat transfer for rapid thawing while minimizing bacterial growth. Unlike traditional thawing methods, Houcy preserves the nutritional integrity of your food. But that's not all. This versatile tray also doubles as a quick freezing surface and a cutting board, providing added convenience and reducing the risk of cross-contamination in your kitchen. Embrace the efficiency and versatility of the Houcy 3-in-1 Ultra-Fast Defrosting Tray for all your barbecue and cooking needs. Take control of your grill with the Flipfork Boss, the ultimate grilling tool designed to enhance your barbecue experience. This versatile accessory combines 5 essential tools into one, elevating a simple spatula to the next level. The Flipfork Boss features a large fork, a knife edge, a serrated edge, and even an integrated bottle opener. Whether you're flipping burgers, skewering meats, cutting through thick steaks, or tenderizing meats, this stainless steel tool has got you covered. The acacia wood handle is not only stylish but also antibacterial and resistant to moisture. With the Flipfork Boss, you can effortlessly transition between grilling tasks, making your barbecue time more efficient and enjoyable. Kitchenque Stovetop Smoker. Experience the rich, smoky flavors of outdoor cooking right in your kitchen with the Kitchenque Stovetop Smoker by Charcoal Companion. This innovative smoker allows you to achieve that authentic smoke taste without the need for a traditional outdoor smoker. Simply place the superfine smoking wood in the base, add the grate and drip pan, and cover your food while it cooks. The Kitchenque works with most stovetops, reaching temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to smoke and cook your food simultaneously. If you prefer, you can cook your food separately and then add it to the smoker later on. With the convenient drip tray opening, you can easily refill the smoker with more Insta-Smoke as needed. Indulge in the incredible flavors of smoked food right in your own kitchen with the Kitchenque Stovetop Smoker. And that concludes our showcase of the 11 must-have barbecue and grill gadgets for an unforgettable summer experience. I hope you've enjoyed discovering these innovative tools that will take your outdoor cooking to the next level. Thank you for joining us today on GadgetHub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gadget reviews and tips for enhancing your everyday experiences.